What's going on, guys? Welcome to Bake It with AJ. I'm AJ, and today we have our monthly cocktail bunt. It is an Amaretto Sour Bundt. Anytime I think of Amaretto Sours, I have a friend Clay, who I used to work with a long time ago, who told me never trust a guy who drinks Amaretto Sours. I'm like, I feel attacked. What is that supposed to mean? I don't know, I digress. We're making an Amaretto Sour Bundt today. It's absolutely incredible. The recipe can be found using the link in the description. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me every week for new episodes of Bake It with AJ. Our Bundt batter always starts off with us mixing our dry ingredients first. So in a bowl here, I have 3 cups or 450 grams of cake flour with 2 teaspoons or 10 grams of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon or 3 grams of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons or 9 grams of salt that we have whisked together until they are the best of friends, and we're setting them aside. Now in my mixer, I have 1.5 cups or 339 grams of totally softened unsalted butter that we are creaming together with 2 cups or 400 grams of granulated sugar on a medium speed until light and fluffy. And then in go 4 large room temperature eggs, one at a time. Mix in each egg before you add the next. Now it's time for all of our flavor. So we have 1 tablespoon or 13 grams of vanilla extract, and then about 1.5 tablespoons each, about 8 grams each of freshly grated lime and lemon zest. Once all of our flavorings are nicely combined, it is time to alternately add our dry mixture in with 1 cup or 240 milliliters of room temperature buttermilk. We're gonna do this in 3 parts and start and end with the dry ingredients. Now, once that last bit of dry is absorbed, we're gonna stop so we don't overmix, scrape that bowl down with a spatula, and into a 12-cup bundt pan this goes. Now, as I will say every time I make a bundt in this kitchen, make sure you grease the pan liberally, because I cannot tell you how many times I swore on my life it was greased enough and it wasn't. And this is gonna get baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for anywhere from 50 to 55 minutes until you can touch it and it springs back, or if you stick a cake tester into the center, it comes out clean. Now, once it is done baking, you're gonna let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're going to turn it onto a cooling rack. Now, while this cake is still hot, like every other cocktail bundt cake we have, we're going to soak it. So I have a mixture of 1/2 cup of amaretto along with 2 tablespoons of simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water that you can microwave until it boils and all the sugar is dissolved. I'm going to poke holes all over my cake so that the amaretto mixture can really get deep in there. So pour this amaretto mixture all over the warm cake, really focusing on the divots there to make sure it soaks up as much as possible. Now it's time to let this cake cool completely, and once it is almost there, we're going to make the glaze, because no bundt cake is complete without a glaze, let's be real. In a bowl here, I have 3 cups or about 400 grams of confectioner sugar, and then I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of grenadine, which is just cherry syrup, and then a couple tablespoons of amaretto, some lime and lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and if you need to thin it out, add just a little bit of milk in there as well. Using my whisk to make this all nice, beautiful, and smooth, and this is going to get poured all over our beautiful cooled cake. Do not spare a single drop of that glaze. We want it all on there, honey. And I always just love these cakes when they're done. They are such showstoppers, which is why I do these every month. Once again, the recipe can be found using the link in the description. It takes you to my website. Be sure to leave me some comments down below and hit that thumbs up button. And of course, hit that subscribe button and join me every week for new episodes of Bake It with AJ. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. I guess you can't trust me because I'm drinking an Amaretto Sour. Cheers to that.